This installation video provides a visual guidance for the installation of our Easy Base with Armor Core. Please refer to the installation manual for specific details relating to the installation of this base. The code-compliant showers are designed to meet all requirements of stated codes for the given product. For ADA and ANSI 117.1, it is important that the project consider the requirements for the shower head and valve location, as well as the floor-to-shower threshold. The ADA guidelines can be found at www.access-board.gov/ADAAG. Determine the appropriate time to install the valve and any additional hardware, and do so accordingly. Following are the requirements for the 36-inch by 36-inch transfer shower and the 60-inch roll-in shower. The transfer shower allows a 1/2-inch threshold from the bathroom finished floor to the top of the threshold. The roll-in shower allows either a 1/4 inch on a vertical threshold from the finished floor or 1/2 inch on the change of level threshold from the finished floor. Using a level, check that the floor is not out by more than an 1/8 inch from left to right. Your unit is built with integral draft to the drain. In order to achieve an on-slab installation, there must be a 10-inch by 10-inch by 1/2 inch deep box out, which allows the drain area to fall below grade. Failure to provide a box out will push the drain up and invert the draft. The subfloor must be clear of all obstructions. Failure to properly clean the slab will result in debris that could also affect draft. The unit will be delivered with 4 cardboard feet under the bottom for shipping purposes. Remove the shipping blocks, but only right before you set the unit. Removing the blocks too early could cause the drain to cure in an upward direction, affecting the pre-sloped factory floor. Measure the framing pocket to ensure there is enough room to place the unit and the framing pocket walls are plumb. Once you have dry set the unit in the framing pocket, plumb the unit and mark the threshold with the black magic marker. Remove the shower from the alcove by leaning it forward, laying it onto 2 pieces of 1/2 inch PVC pipe as shown. Do not let the front flanges touch the floor. Install the drain. As shown, apply 100% silicone caulking around the box out and behind the black line marked at the threshold where the shower will rest once the unit is installed. Note: you do not need to backfill the drain location with bedding material. Set the unit in place. Drop the gasket and compression nut into place, but do not tighten the nut yet. You want the drain connection free to flex downward during bracing. If the nut is tight, you will not be able to apply any downward pressure on the base. Brace the unit using 2 50-pound bags of concrete on the drain and 1 50-pound bag of concrete on the threshold. After bracing, check that there is draft toward the drain in all 4 corners. Leave braces intact for 72 hours. After 72 hours, remove the concrete bags and check draft to drain one final time. If there is positive draft, you may now tighten the compression nut. Now for the most important step. Test the unit with water or marbles from all 4 corners. If using marbles, make sure drain grid is installed. There is a yellow caution sticker addressing this step in both English and Spanish on the back wall of your unit. If the installation is correct, the water and marbles will flow toward the drain. If the installation is faulty, the water will flow away from the drain, puddling in the corners, or run out over the threshold onto the bathroom floor. In the case of a failed install, you must pull the unit up and repeat the installation process. This is a costly mistake, which is why it is critical that all of the steps in the written installation instructions are followed correctly. Thank you for using our products.
Call 1-877-947-7769 to speak with a knowledgeable customer service representative and take your first step to freedom.